In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach or download files in Yahoo Mail. We'll go through both tasks in a simple, practical way so you can send attachments with your emails and save files that other people send to you. If you're new to Yahoo Mail, don't worry. This process is very straightforward once you know where to click. First, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're on your inbox or main mail screen. From here, if you want to attach a file to an email, go to the top left corner and click New Message. This opens a blank email draft where you can start creating your message. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. After that, add a subject line so the person receiving the message understands what the email is about. Then type your message in the email body. It's a good idea to finish most of your message before adding the file, just so everything is organized and ready to send. Now look at the bottom area of the email composition window. You'll see several icons there, including a paperclip icon. The paperclip is the attachment button. Click it and your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the file you want to attach, select it, and then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, Yahoo Mail will begin uploading the file. If the file is large, give it a little time to finish uploading completely. It's important to wait until the attachment appears properly in the email before sending, so you know it has been added successfully. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email, along with the attached file, will be delivered to the recipient. Now let's look at how to download files in Yahoo Mail. Start by opening the email that contains the attachment you want to save. Depending on the message, the attachment may appear just below the subject line or near the bottom of the email. Find the attachment and then click the download icon on it. Yahoo Mail will begin downloading the file to your device. In most cases, the file will be saved automatically to your default downloads folder unless your browser or device asks you to choose a different location. If you don't see the file right away, check your downloads folder first. That's usually where it goes by default. And that's it. That's how to attach files to an email and download attachments in Yahoo Mail. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes quick and easy.